What you guys are seeing on screen right now is a face of Izobisto after Mamzobe visited her and told her that she's the next to die. Ladies and gentlemen, Izobisto is shaken after Mamzobe visited her and told her that he's coming back to take her if she doesn't bring back his kwam. I know that you'll want Izobisto to die and bring back his kwama, but trust me you guys, you don't want to see that happen. Some of you will agree with me here. We better hate an evil Mamzobe than having a holy Mamzobe. I remember when she was ill-treated by her family, where everyone, Abonobuntu and Abomabusu, would do as they want and talk to her as they want. I was so bored. So I think an evil Mamzobe is way greater than the one that you guys are wishing for. So, I'm sure that everyone knows that Umkhokha recently took Zota after she discovered that Mamzobe is the one who stole his kwama from her dad. And guys, I don't know about you, but no one will change my thinking on this one. I believe that Mamzobe is the one who stole her father's body from the grave. I mean, for the fact that even after her sister's death, she is still not willing to talk, it's obvious that there are many secrets that she is still keeping. So, after Zora's death, Mamzobe had a dream where her father was telling her that she is next to kill herself. Now, she is so scared. And the funny part is that she has an option of just telling the truth so that the whole thing can go away, but no, our Mamzobe prefers death instead. On Friday's episode, she told Gabisile that if anything happens to her, she wants Gabisile to name her first daughter Tenjiwe. Imagine, Shuti Zobisto is making sure that her name is never forgotten. And again, I'm going to repeat this. You guys need to forgive me on this one, but Mamzobe cannot die, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think that Umkhokha could be what it is today if she dies. I mean, it's okay for her to repent for a few episodes like they're currently doing, but for her to be a holy Mamzobe where everybody do as they want, I know it can't be. So you guys, with that being said, please comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this particular topic. And if you enjoy content in this video, please like, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on another video.